How to delete a Snapchat story. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Snapchat story. So to do that, first of all, open your Snapchat app and then make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Now once you've opened up Snapchat, tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. Now it will take you to your profile page where you'll see the option My Stories, and then you can see the story which you have added. So if you want to remove the story, what you have to do is simply tap on the story, and now in order to delete it, tap on the three dots on the top right corner of your screen, and then it will provide you basically three options: delete, save and send snap. So since we are going to delete the story, we'll tap on the option delete and then confirm it by tapping the option delete again. And there we have it. We have successfully deleted a story from our Snapchat. So that is basically how you do it. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.